As we end this 5-day event, the biggest event in the whole region, indeed, we have gone a long, long way. We have built bridges, we have made friends, we have created a special bond. Zipporah Amit has taught us the true meaning of sportsmanship, of fairness, and above all, we have developed a strong force towards sending the message not only to Zamboanga Peninsula but also to the world, to stand firm and rally behind the aggressors and to all those who would want to invade or intrude our country. This 5-day event is a task not only of the local government unit, but everyone's here in Siocon. Be it a mountain or a molehill, we all did it for the region, and we all did it for Siocon.
Of course, the security of all the delegates, including the visitors and the spectators, no? mga parents ng mga athletes. We have also able to ensure their safety and security while they are in Siocon.
Akong ipasalamatan ni Mayor Cesar Soriano ang ipahigayon niya ang kaning SIPRA 2025 sa among pagnegosyo na arang-arang among halin kining income tungod sa kadaghanog tawo bibo.
Nagpapasalam kay Mayor Cesar Soriano na dahil dito yung regional meet o SIPRA sa Siocon, at maraming salamat dahil sa kanya nakapagtinda kami dito at okay din yung mga namin, yung benta namin. Thank you Mayor.
Angat gamay ang among income sa pag-tricycle. Kung napasalamat po sa mga dumudoong diri, taga diri, walang lugar. Salamat po. Labi na kay Mayor Cesar Soriano.
At walang kapaguran na paghahanda ng mga playing at billeting areas, mga pagkain, paghahakot ng tubig, pagrarasyon ng tubig, hanggang sa init at ulan na ininda ng mga kabataang mananayaw, pagod, puyat, pawis at luha, hanggang sa dulo. They are our heroes.
Ako makita kami nga, kada adlaw halos sila magkuhag mga garbage yun kay ang mga tao din higutan po kay sa mga palibot.
Recommendation, okay ra, before mahadlo ko man sa Siocon because of mga istorya nga delikado daw kuno, bombing, and then I proved nga safe ra ang Siocon.
Actually sa medical, na ay mo respond, no? In cases sa safety, the security, na po yung mga mo respond. So, PNP, AAP, collaboration ni tanan sa mga agency, the first in history sa atong regional meet.
What I can say to the municipality of Siocon, it is a very nice place to visit. In here, you can really witness the different cultures, tradition, and beliefs. It made me realize that even though we have differences, we can be united as one. So I believe that one dream, one Siocon really fits the municipality's image.
People here are very amazing, at the same time, very accommodating. Grabe ka sila ka-abi-abihon. Most especially, I salute all the drivers. At the same time, the vendors here kay muano sila, cater sila, nga walay pagduwa-duwa. At the same time, ihatod juga nila kung asa yung mga gusto at ang pagkaon po diriya, grabe, labi jud kayo siya all I can say is, nindot kay Siocon, the best.
From the carefully planned security, to the route we take, to the emergency rescue vehicles, mobile clinics, doctors, nurses, PNP, AFP, BFP, engineering, committee, kasangga force multipliers to teachers.
Dreams do really come true. Because a year ago, nandito kami, hindi namin inaasahan kung paano itatransform yung place na ito. And the spectacular opening salvo is indeed, it's a tough act to follow. Kung ako yung mga superintendent at saka yung mga ibang local government units, parang ang hirap sundan nun. Parang yung iba natatakot ng sumunod na mag-host because of that, because of the preparation and how Mayor Cesar really transformed Siocon.
We all, the athletes and the participants and the guests should concentrate and reflect on what this dynamic Mayor of Siocon has done tonight. Palakpakan po natin si Mayor Cesar Soriano.
Mayor Cesar, gusto ko lang marinig mo that in Siocon, dreams do really come true. Salamat yung pangarap hindi lang ng DepEd Region 9. Sabi ko yung pinakita mo, hindi lang pang regional meet, hindi lang pang national, pang international pa.
Mga kaibigan, mga kapitbahay, mga ka-Zamboanga Peninsula, masaya po kaming mga taga-Siocon na maging partner ninyong lahat upang itaguyod ang mga meeting ito. Kahit na po hindi na simpra, masaya kaming patuloy na kakaway at ngingiti sa inyo dahil kayo naging kabahagi ng aming kasaysayan, ng aming mga pangarap at ng aming magandang kinabukasan.
I now declare 2025 Zamboanga Peninsula Regional Athletic Meet open.
Salamat kang Mayor Cesar Soriano. One dream, one Siocon.
One dream, one Siocon.
One dream, one Siocon.
Mabuhay Siocon! Mabuhay Simpra! Mabuhay DepEd! One dream! One Siocon!
And despite all the difficulties, tonight we can say that we have truly made it. Thank you for the trust. Thank you for believing in Siocon.